Today we are going to make different types of flavored popcorn, but before we begin, we must wash our hands. Let's begin by turning on the water. Get our hands wet. Get 1 squirt of soap and scrub our hands for 20 seconds. We need to scrub the front of our hands, the back of our hands, in between our fingers, underneath our nails, and even our wrists. We need to do this for 20 seconds. You could count to 20. You could sing a song like ABCs or Happy Birthday. But once you are done scrubbing your hands for 20 seconds, you can rinse the soap off. Then get a towel to dry your hands and use it to turn off the water. Now that we have washed our hands, we are ready to make our recipe. We are going to use 3 different types of seasoning. First, we'll use a taco or cheddar cheese seasoning, and then we'll use a ranch seasoning, and last, we'll use apple spice seasoning. Once you have popped your popcorn, take your seasoning. Here we have a cheddar cheese, and spread it on your popcorn. Another seasoning that we could use on our popcorn is ranch seasoning. So spread that on your popcorn. And our last option is to use apple spice seasoning. This is a great sweet snack. And you could even add dried berries. And there you have 3 different ways to season your popcorn.